This is a quick recap on how to best structure your answer for the Part 1A and B in the expressive section of the Art and Design written paper. When writing about the 3 prompts in the question, you must write a balanced response to get 10 marks for Part A. You can give up to 6 marks for a prompt as long as you respond to the other prompts. Here below are just some of the examples of combinations that you can use. This is highlighted underneath the blue section. Under the pink section, I have shown an example of how a response could look using a 3 + 3 + 2 + 2 combination. So you must start by introducing the 2 artists and the names of their artwork, the dates that they were created at the beginning of your essay. I then like to write the first prompt and underline it, then I like to bullet point each of my description and impact statements underneath. For the last part of question A, always try to give 2 justified reasons as to why the artwork is most appealing. So here I've tried to give 2 reasons, reason 1, reason 2. That's highlighted at the yellow section. Part B is worth 5 marks. 2 of these marks are for identifying influences on your selected artist. Remember, you must write about one of the artists that you have mentioned in Part A. You only need to mention one of the artists though, not both of them. The remaining 3 marks will be awarded for describing how these influences can be seen in any of their work. Make sure that when you're identifying influences that they've got to be factually correct and specific. So for the 5 marks, you need to describe 3 ways in which the 2 influences can be seen in the artist's work. One way one influence can be seen, and then 2 ways another influence can be seen.